Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special guest. His name is Slothy. Say hey, Slothy.
Hello, how are you?
It's definitely bedtime, but it's okay. Slothy, you're gonna go to sleep now, okay? Go to sleep, Slothy. So today for our look, I was inspired by Mr. Slothy to make a sloth look. Remember how I told you guys I hate this eyeliner? Let me just show you specifically which eyeliner. Okay, well you can't see, but it says MAC. It says MAC Liquid Last Liner and it's brown. And it's too goopy, it's just not right. So we're gonna use it for our look today. And for our look today, we are not going to do the traditional starting from the outside in. We're gonna start from the inside and then we're going to move our way out. We are going to use Glow Ahead Face Oil. By Wonder Beauty. We're going to take our brown eyeliner. I talk like this is a tutorial, but I really don't know what the hell I'm doing. Oh, okay. There we go. We have a nose. Now that we have our nose done, we kind of need to do some concealer first, I think. What we're going to do is take our Jeffee Star in C0. I really used this concealer more than I thought I would. We're going to do this area of our face. We're going to blend that in. All right. I feel like this is already becoming a look. I don't know if I told you guys yet, but I'm doing a sloth. Did I tell you? Okay. Well, now you know. I'm hungry. We're also going to take this right here. I didn't prime or anything before I did this, so I hope this turns out good. Jeffee Star, if you ever watch this video, this is an amazing concealer. You can already kind of see the look coming together. All right, let's start on our eyes. We're going to start in our waterline with a brown. Okay, I went really heavy and really drug it down. But I promise with this look, it is okay. It's a pretty good liner. I'm going to take my little smudge brush and kind of smudge that around. Yes, honey, yes. That's actually a great smudging liner. Today we are going to be using our James Charles palette. We're gonna use our e.l.f. packing brush, and we're gonna go in with Benny. Oh yeah, that's what we needed. I should have put primer on my eye, but I didn't. Whoops. Oh well. Then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. All right, we're looking a little panda berry. Let's take this bigger, fluffier brush from e.l.f. We're gonna go in with T. It's a little bit of a lighter brown than what we already have. And let's bring this down. Wow. Okay, let's do the other side. We're also going to go into Code James, which is more of an orangey shade. I'm gonna blend out them edges. We're gonna kind of do the same thing with the lips as we did with the eyes. Just lip version. Now we'll kind of let that dry a little bit. We're gonna take T. And we're gonna map out how we want our smile. Now let's take some No Beans. And kind of blend that through. Let's go back in with T. Let's add some white down here. All right. Oh my God, this is coming together so good. Okay, this is so good. This is so good. Let's take a little bit of heart-shaped tape right there. Let's go in with a little bit of foundation. This is the 322 Warm Honey. Finally, an excuse for me to go as heavy as I want to with my bronzer. Yay! All right, now let's add a little bit of mascara. My sloth journey is not over yet. We're gonna go in with Benny, the dark shade, and we're going to make a line right here, which is going to be how we do our V. Whoa.
Sloth.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my sloth tutorial. It was fun doing it with you guys. Doing it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit like if you hate the way I'm talking right now. Hit like if you love the look. Comment if you hate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please tune in next week for our next Halloween look. Say bye, Slothy.
Bye.
Good night. Good night, Slothy. Cut. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit subscribe if you liked it. Hit the like button if you want to see more. Comment if you want to tell me how freaking crazy I look. I'll see you guys next week. Goodbye.